Hi, my name is Sagar. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to discuss about the pricing structure of ClickFunnels, right? So due to this new one level challenge launched, there's so much of confusion that people are signing up new accounts and they're not able to understand the pricing structure. So ended up canceling the account, right? So I try to save the money and find it out and help you out to understand what the pricing structure have ClickFunnels has. Something is public, something you don't know, like where it is, you are not able to find, right? So I'll help you out. And the most important questions I got from last few days, that is first that they cannot use email sequences because it is dot 297 plan, right? It has in 297 plan. And the second question they have like, is there any discounts they have between 297 297s? Is there any free available? Right. Third questions I get like, is it really worth investing in ClickFunnels 97 or 297? So we'll discuss all the things. Apart from this, if you have any questions related to this, please put these questions into the comment section. I'll try to help you out. So without any delay, let's get started. So here you can see ClickFunnels has so much of plans, but these two are active. These are not active. This is for premium membership. Those who uh, attend funnel hacking live or the two comma club live. So that we will not discuss, but we'll just focus on more on these two plans. So these two plan definitely 97 to 297 is there. Now you'll ask, look, is there anything in between? I would say no, but partially yes, virtually yes. So how you'll get this offer if you take it for 6 months. So rather than paying $1,800, you will get it for 997. So you are getting like $800 discounts on like payment of 6 months. So if you put an average, then it will cost you something around $166 per month, right? So and you don't have to pay like 297s. You can use it for 6 months and get all the facilities, all the uh, pricing available here, right? So now the question is there any discount plan? I would say yes. This plan has like whatever the plan you are using, if you're using 97 or 297s, if you get it for 1 year and you will get 2 months for free, plus you will get priority live video support. So your like customer support will come live and they will help you over video conferencing, right? So that is the power of taking 1 year and you will get it 2 months for free. So this all offer I'll put down in the comment sections. Now go deep into it, like what exactly like is it worth it investing this much amount? I would say that ClickFunnels doesn't only build funnels, only build landing page, capture page. It helps to automate your sales process. It helps to split test. Suppose you wanted to test, okay, between two offers, which offer is working, then also you can do it. You can upsell. You can do it. Let's suppose you have high value program, then you can upsell, you can downsell, and you can literally host a course in 97 plan. So many people don't know that they can host their course in 97 plan. I myself does that, right? Auto webinar, they can automate their webinar. So this is the feature ClickFunnels has. So if you go deep into it, you can see there is a very beautiful thing, that is the university, the full of knowledge, that is Funnelflix. If you take out some time from Netflix, then definitely if you invest some like at least 1 hour per day, this is a gold mine of knowledge. Like it is not only about Russell Brunson. There are so many other experts like Randice, the machine, and so many like the subscriber revival challenge from Yara Golden and Dan Kennedy, Tony Robbins. You'll get huge with this price of 297. If you take a funnel hacking secret, that also you will be eligible to get Funnel Flex Platinum for 6 months. And these all are available in 297, the Platinum plan. And there is so much other trainings upcoming for this. I'll say that is Offermind for like funnel hacking documentaries. I think it is all already uploaded. Course secret, how to build your course, and funnel agency secret, how to you can start, and like for funnel building. YouTube traffic secret, how you can uh, traffic like generate traffic from YouTube. So these all are available in this platinum, right? So I hope I have cleared this top three queries. If you have any other queries, please let me know. I'll help you to solve that. So for today's, thanks a lot. Thank you so much for watching.